Given the agriculture plays a vital role in Pakistan economy, water is critical to our agriculture productivity and overall food security. Similarly, energy being the backbone of industrialization is essential for increasing exports and driving economic growth. The water energy food nexus is therefore central to the progress of prosperity of Pakistan and the Muslim Ummah as a whole. Addressing the aforementioned challenges, their timely resolution is also crucial for achieving the Sustainable Development Goals (SDGs). These goals offer a comprehensive framework to transform adversity into opportunity and foster innovation and research essential for the advancement of well-being of nations. The issues that this conference aims to highlight and address are cross-cutting and not confined to a single region or country. Therefore, it is our collective responsibility to combine our synergies and build partnerships, not only address these issues effectively, but also help fulfill our national commitments to SDGs. Ladies and gentlemen, I have always been an avid proponent of proactive policies and initiatives to promote sustainable development and ensure equitable distribution of resources. My stance is clear. Science and technology must serve as a pivot for social justice and economic empowerment. National climate change policy, conceived and adopted during my tenure as Prime Minister, provided a framework for integrating climate considerations into national development planning.